The holidays might be over for now, but it's not too early to start planning the next trip. And why not make your destination a local one? Principal consultant of the travel experience company Being Jamaican, Teika Samuda, is here, and she's going to share a few of Jamaica's best kept secrets, right? Morning, Teika. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Morning, Delia. Thanks for having me.
Tell me a little bit about what motivated Being Jamaican.
It really was an exploration of my passion.
Okay.
I've always loved traveling. I have early memories of my family doing road trips across the island, exploring St. Elizabeth, which is where we're from, exploring Westmoreland. And I think it was from those early days that the seed was planted, and it only grew as I grew older.
Yeah. So you've been a dryland tourist for a long time.
I've always loved traveling and exploring. I think dryland tourists, though, the term kind of refers to people who exclusively explore Jamaica and they never travel abroad. Yeah. I love traveling in general, so I travel abroad and locally. I have a special love, though, for exploring my own backyard.
All right, so how do you find the new places? What's the process? You Google, you call people, what do you do?
Exactly, so it's all of those things. It usually begins with me coming across a video or a picture of something that really excites me. And then once I get excited, that's when the research begins. So I go on Google, I go on YouTube, I go through Instagram, and I start trying to gather information about what kind of experience it is, where it's located, and then I do a visit.
Because I was going to ask you, are all the places that have a tourism experience or a visitor experience? Because Teika, I know I say some place, and then when I go there, me one and the bush, you know, I say, oh, me reach here, oh, me come out.
So Being Jamaican really focuses on off the beaten path.
Right.
We really try to bring to the fore those hidden gems that the island has to offer. So more often than not, you're not gonna find a lot of crowds there. Okay. You're gonna find few people so that you can really enjoy the space and enjoy the experience.
Okay. How important do you think that is, though? I keep saying to people, you know, you live in Jamaica, and Jamaica is so beautiful, you need to go out and discover, but why is it important?
It really is important because what you're doing is you're investing in local attractions, you're investing in local enterprises, you're building your own economy, you're building your own country. So it's you giving back to your country. And there's also a bonus for you as well, because compared to international travel, it's much cheaper. So you're allowed to save money and still have quality experiences. So it's a win-win for you and for your country.
That's excellent. All right, so let's talk about some of the places you've been. Where are some of the more popular destinations that people request here in Jamaica?
Hands down, most persons will ask for anywhere in Portland. If you're looking for relaxation, people will ask for rafting on the Rio Grande. Persons who are looking for culture and history in Portland, they'll ask for Nanny Falls. But hands down, most persons will ask for either Frenchman's Cove, very popular,
beautiful
and then
place.
the Blue Lagoon.
And then the Blue Lagoon.
Outside of Portland, though, in St. Elizabeth is another spot that has very requested locations. So people will ask for YS Falls. They'll ask for Pelican Bar, which is that bar out in the middle of the sea. Kind of have to take a boat to go out there. And they'll ask for the Appleton Rum Tour as well.
See, we have some great things that people can go out and do.
We do.
Here in Jamaica. So, all right, we told the viewers you're going to bring some of our best kept secrets. So let's see if we can give them 5. What are 5 of our best kept secrets?
My pick for the top best kept secrets, the first one would be, of course, from Portland, Reach Falls. Reach Falls is a magnificent waterfall, and the water cascades into an emerald pool. You also have the opportunity to do a bit of a river hike. So you walk along the course of the river, sometimes in the river, sometimes on the land, and you go to what's called a rabbit hole. You can jump into the hole and explore underwater caves.
Really?
So that's Reach Falls.
Wow.
Beautiful, up in the hills of the John Crow Mountains.
Wow.
Another one that is in Portland as well is Turtle Bay Cove. We were just talking about it.
Yeah.
With those carved, almost like carved stone structures. It's almost as if pieces of Jamaica have broken off, and it leaves those beautiful stone structures there. The pools are shallow so you can swim around, plus the water is cool.
I'm seeing it.
So not cold, Cool and a little bit warm, yes. Because a lot of people are afraid of the cold river water.
Yes, please, Anton. But once you go in there after a while,
you warm up, you get used to it.
Yeah, you get used to it.
All right, so my third pick would be from the parish of Westmoreland. There's a waterfall and river called Mento Falls.
In Westmoreland?
Westmoreland.
Okay.
Fantastic experience as well. You get to climb the falls. You can do some rope swings. You can jump off the cliffs into the water. But a real highlight is the mud and mineral massages that they do there. So they'll use the mineral mud and they'll rub it into your skin, exfoliate your skin, and it imparts those minerals into your skin. So it's also a healing experience for you as well.
What? I never heard of Mento Falls.
Mento Falls, put it on your bucket list.
Yeah.
Fishdon Falls in the hills of Portland. So a lot of us are used to the coastline of Portland, but up in the hills of Portland is Fishdon Falls. Lovely experience as well. There's a lady there who will cook for you right on the waterfall edge. So she'll do some nice steamed fish, some nice fried chicken, and you can sit with your feet in the water and you can enjoy your meal there.
What? Fishdon Falls?
Fishdon Falls.
I'm sure there's a story behind that name, Fishdon Falls.
And the last of my fifth would be overnighting in the Blue Mountains. You could do it in a cabin, you could do it in a tent, but that whole experience of kind of sleeping outside under the stars in those elevated, cool temperatures.
Absolutely.
Beautiful.
Yeah. In my more athletic days, I used to hike.
Yes.
And that was an experience to hike and then stay overnight, and then you get up here.
Yeah, man, you build your campfire. It's the whole thing.
Yeah. So, and you're saying, tell me a little bit about now, how people can find out more.
Socials. So you can look for us on Instagram and Facebook as Being Jamaican. You can find us on Twitter as I Love Being Jamaican. You can search for us on Google. Just type in Being Jamaican in the search engine. You'll be able to see pictures of our past experiences. You'll see reviews that our clients have left for us. You can also call us. It's 876-855-0232, or give us an email at tours@beingjamaican.com.
There's a common saying when you say to Jamaicans, you should go on and experience Jamaican, and say, I can't afford it. I'm a tourist. So can I say, listen, this is my budget, and I want to experience Jamaica. Can I get a great experience?
I love that question because we do group tours. So at the end of every month, we will have an open tour so anybody can sign up. And those are usually affordably priced. So you just follow us on Instagram, look for the flyers that promote those those month-end tours. This one in particular, we're going to be doing Cane River Falls, which is where Bob Marley sings about in Trenchtown, where he goes and washes his locks. We're gonna go to Bob Marley Beach, and we're gonna top off that experience by doing an archery session. So you can pretend to be Robin Hood with your bow and arrow. So affordably priced, most persons can join. But if you want a private experience, we can curate a package just for you.
Okay.
So you can tell us the places or the types of activities you have an interest in, and tell us your budget.
All right, cool. I love it. Come smile, team. We're going to hit the road. Thank you so much. Principal consultant of the travel experience company, Being Jamaican, Teika Samuda. After the break, we'll be taking a look at a few unusual wedding traditions from around the world. Stick with us.